What's up, gang? Oh, I got this cool little handheld device for my phone. I gotta show you. I thought you guys might be interested in seeing one of the creative spaces of a mad scientist creator guy. Over here we got the old enlarger from the old days. Got the old Mac. Turned an old dresser into some storage. Massive amounts of poster prints. Over here we got tool area, tool shop, workbench. We got the old paint booth there. Print drawers, some more drying racks. We got the air filter up there, and then we got some video action going on. Computer station. Another little work area here. Got some more stuff to put away there. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, we got stuff to do. Some cool stuff coming. Gonna be making clocks out of these. Whoops, screwed that up. Over here we're gonna make some clocks out of these. Woo, look at that. Got some Harley foot pegs to make a clock. More paintings dry. Surfaces prepared for the next paintings. Oh, then look at this. We've been working, totally working. There's a couple products ready to go. Got Missouri there in there too. We got Washington coming up. We got the large format printer stack here. Oh, look at this. If we want to go small, we can just get right in there and look at stuff. More stock down there. It's pretty full around here. Pretty full. And then, oh, this is the newest edition. What do you think this is? Woohoo! Oh, and then there's this. What do you think that is? All right. Just thought I'd give you a shout out. Show you what's up. Look at this. Look at this. Good time for gifts anytime. See ya.